Hey, so today I'm going to teach one of my strategies. I love to call it my Bollinger Band strategy. It's basically based on Bollinger Bands, exponential moving averages, and price action confirmation. So I'm using here the freestockcharts.com for technical analysis and for applying this strategy. So let's start from scratch. This strategy is based on the 5-minute chart. I use it on these currencies only: USD JPY, AUD USD, JBP USD, Euro USD, Euro JBP, and AUD JPY. Now let's add the indicators. I'm using the Bollinger Bands on the default setting of 20 and 2. I'm using the moving average. First one, the default setting is 50 simple moving average on free stock chart. I'm gonna press the edit and change it for a 365 exponential moving average. And the second moving average is gonna be the 180 exponential moving average. I'm gonna paint it in red. Alright, so now we have the indicators on the chart. This is USD JPY. Now, to apply this strategy, we need 3 conditions. First condition is to identify the long-term trend, the overall trend of the currency. How we identified it? To identify the trend, we use the moving averages. When the 180 is above the 365, when the red is above the blue line, it means that the currency is currently uptrending. When vice versa, when the red line is below the blue line, it means that the currency right now is downtrending. So this is the first condition. The second condition is the cross of the upper band or the lower band. On an uptrend, we want to see a cross of the price, a cross of the lower band of the price, like here. See, the trend is going up, and here we have a cross of the lower band. And for the third and last confirmation, which is based on price action and candlestick pattern, we want to see some reversal confirmation based on candlestick pattern, which include but not limited to engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle on an uptrend, mother and son pattern on an uptrend, pin bar, and all of this need to happen when the price is crossing the lower band on an uptrend. Let me show you some explanation, some example for an uptrend. Let's see if I have something interesting here. Maybe not on USD JPY. Oh, here, yeah. Oh no. Currently, I don't see an example on USD JPY. Let's move for another currency. Aussie dollar and USD. Alright, here I found a nice setup. Okay, as you can see, we have an uptrend, here, according to the EMAs. You see the red line is above the blue line here. Price is crossing the lower band. And then we will wait for the third and last confirmation, which is a reversal pattern based on the candlestick. And you can see clearly here that we have a bullish engulfing candle right there. So when this candle closes, we will open a trend to last between 30 to 60 minutes. Now, as for caution, I will take around 10 pip lower, and I'll enter the trade 10 pip lower than the close of the confirmation candle. So let's say this one was 204. We'll enter this trade around 194 here to expire between 30 to 60 minutes, meaning on the 5-minute chart is 6 bars or 12 bars. So if we'll go from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's going to be ITM. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it's going to be an ITM for both 30 and 60 minutes. So this is an example for an uptrend. Now let me show you an example of a downtrend, meaning a put. Let me look for one real quick. Remember, you use this strategy only on the 5-minute chart. This JBP-USD is uptrending. Euro-USD, let's see what we have here. Another important thing is to remember, you don't want to trade when the moving averages are that close to each other or when price is trading between the lines, because it can mean both things, two things. It can mean that or the current trend is changing, or that we have a neutral trend going on. So I'm still looking for a nice example for a put trade. Guess I'm not gonna find it on the Euro USD. Let's go for Euro JBP. Euro JBP is trending nicely down. Alright, here. Look at that. Both lines here, let me remove it. Both lines here, the moving averages are pointing down. The 180, the red line, is below the 365, which means that the overall trend of Euro JBP is downtrend. We will look for our second confirmation. The price should cross the upper band and close above the Bollinger Band. The third and last confirmation for a put trade is a candlestick pattern that will tell us that a reversal is going to happen soon with the continuation of the overall trend. And here you can see that we have a bearish engulfing candle. So we'll be caution and take 10 pip above the price, the close price. It closes at 324. We'll take it around 334 here to expire between 30 minutes to 12 to between 30 minutes to 60 minutes, which means 6 bar or 12 bar. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for a put will be ITM here, and we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which will be ITM here for 1 hour. So basically that's my strategy. It's basically kind of straightforward, pretty easy. 3 indicators including the Bollinger Bands, the 365 exponential moving average, and the 180 exponential moving average.